All right, hold steady now. I'm attaching the ID tag. Squeeze the tool firmly. Almost there. There, tag secure. Good job.
Just holding him steady. I'll start the scan now.
He's calm. Go ahead.
Images look good, no abnormalities.
That's a relief. All right, keep moving. That's it. Easy now. Good boy. Almost there. Steady. All right, easy now. Up the ramp. That's it. Keep moving. Good. All set. Good work. Pull the strap tight around the chest. Got it. Buckling now. Check the hind legs. Secured. Pulleys are ready. We're ready.
Preservation stage begins, sprinkling coarse salt evenly across the pigskin. This ensures proper curing and flavor. Now, the salt draws out moisture. Fully dyed green hide, now glossy and uniform, hanging vertically, reflecting studio lights, transformation complete. Completed green leather sheet displayed fully extended on wall mount. Rich color, consistent grain, ready for cutting. Automated positioning system engaged. First, manual correction with the straight razor. Next, the machine cuts the bulk. Finally, a precise razor pass for perfection.
This batch looks promising. Let's check the color consistency.
Right. This swatch is a good match. Texture feels consistent.
Good. I'm recording that. Let's do the next one.
On it. This one passes too.
Okay, let's stack these on the grade A pallet. Got it. Keep them even. This stack is looking good. Yeah, almost ready for storage.